All right, let's talk about wireless mics like this. Now, it used to be you'd need expensive wireless mic kits from Sennheiser to get good audio in your films. But today, simple wireless mic kits like this DJI mic can be a godsend for solo filmmakers at less than half the price. But still gonna run you $330, which isn't super cheap. Fortunately, there's other options out there. This company 7Rims actually sent me these guys, but these are only gonna run you about 180 bucks, so it's almost half the price. So just to do a quick comparison here, I've got the 7Rims mics going in right here, the DJI mic going in right here. So 7Rims mic, DJI mic, 7Rims, DJI. I think it sounds pretty similar. Now you're not going to get the cool charging case that DJI mic gives with the 7Rims, but if you're trying to save some money, a great option. Now what you're going to want to do for narrative projects is combine these wireless transmitters with a lapel or lav mic like this one. This is one of the cheaper ones on Amazon, probably 30 bucks or something like that. Show you how you wire this up. All right, now I'm on a lav mic setup, but I've plugged it into the 7Rims transmitter here, and you just put that in your pocket, run the cord up your shirt, get a little athletic tape to hold it to your chest, just below the collar, and then you're good to go. You can shoot whatever, your mic's gonna be concealed, it's gonna sound really nice. One thing to note is that you can get a lot of rustling and interference with lav mics, especially with the cord, with cloth rubbing up on them. So I would recommend checking out this video with a bunch of tips on how to wire and set up these mics so that you don't have those problems. So also get creative with these units. Sometimes you can hide the actual transmitter in your shot, or you can plan your wardrobe to be really thick and easy to hide one of these things inside them. You can also connect one of these transmitters to your shotgun mic, which will give you even more options.